Hello, this is a tutorial on how to make a paper balisong. And here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 2 pieces of paper, a bottle of glue, a thumbtack, as you can see, a paper clip, which I have right here. If I can pick it up right here. I've used this in the past. This camera. Yeah, you get it. A marker. I think that's it. Oh, and scissors. Okay, so what you're gonna start off doing is take your one piece of your paper and fold it in half. Next thing you do is take your bottle of glue and make a line across the crease. So I got a hole there to make an extra one. Oh yeah, and a piece of cardboard. What I'm gonna do is take your piece of cardboard and spread the glue down. Don't mind the paper, I just got this out of my sister's drawer. Ignore the paper. I need an extra line. I'm gonna use an extra line if you have just a really crappy spreader. Right here, I have a really crappy one. Right, then what you're gonna want to do is fold this in half. Yeah. And then just fold it down nice and flat. What you're gonna do, fold it in half again. Do the same thing. And you know what now, because I really couldn't explain how many times you need to do it. But you're gonna be making 2 of these hardened papers. Alright, looks like flipping to the other side really works. No more extra line. Now go make me a sandwich, please. I wish I had one of those shirts that said, "Cool story, babe. Now go make me a sandwich." My friend has one of those and I laughed my ass off when I saw it. He gave it to his girlfriend and she's like, "I don't want to." That's literally what she said. Yeah. Okay, now when you get to right here, don't think about the next step. Okay? Crap. Hold up. Kinda got that uneven. What you want to do is fold it in half, but don't glue it. Once you fold it in half, well, yeah, once you fold it in half, you want to cut it. And then you're going to want to take one of them, and then you're going to fold it. Oh, yeah. Do the same with the other piece. You could probably, like, make it a little wide a little bit. Like, make it flat on the bottom, like that or something. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hold it straight down. Then once you do that, you're going to let's do this on both actually. You're going to just fold it like that. Well, not fold it. Like draw something like this on the handle. Draw that. And then cut. We're trying to make this as realistic as possible, just to let you guys know. Like, why the hell are you doing that? Maybe like a little model of a Benchmade Model 42. And then turn up with it like that. Don't make it all pointy around the edges. Do the same on the other handle. And you're almost done, just let you know. Sorry if I go silent for a moment, because I'm just trying to concentrate here. Didn't turn out exactly the same, but it'll work. And what you're going to do is make another hardened paper, but instead of making those two again, like I'm making the, I can't even talk, making the handles. We're going to want to draw a blade, which I've already done. But now what you're going to want to do, put your blade in, once you've done all that, and then you're going to put it in just like that. Take your other handle, do the same. Then what you're going to do, just do one right now, you're going to take your tack. You know what, this is part 1. Bye!